Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing an essential topic that many of us can relate to. Burnout. Feeling drained, exhausted, and overwhelmed is something we all experience at some point in our lives. But fear not, because we've got your back. In this video, we'll share some valuable tips on how to recover from burnout, restore energy, and find the much needed balance in your life. So let's dive right in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. First things first, it's crucial to recognize the signs of burnout before we tackle the recovery process. Are you feeling emotionally exhausted, demotivated, or having trouble concentrating? Perhaps you find yourself being less productive and feeling cynical about your work or daily activities. These could be signs that you're experiencing burnout. One key to finding balance is setting boundaries. Learn to say no to activities or tasks that drain your energy unnecessarily. Prioritize what truly matters, both in your personal life and professional life. Setting healthy limits will help you avoid overextending yourself. Practice self-care. Self-care is not just a trendy term. It's essential for your well-being. Make time for activities that recharge your batteries, such as exercising, meditating, spending time in nature, or indulging in hobbies that you love. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's necessary. Seek support. You don't have to go through this alone. Reach out to friends, family, or even professional counselors to share your feelings and experiences. Talking about your burnout can provide emotional relief and valuable advice on how to cope. Take time to reevaluate and adjust your goals. When recovering from burnout, take a step back and reassess your goals. Are they realistic and achievable? Sometimes we set ourselves up for burnout by trying to do too much at once. Adjust your goals and create a balanced, manageable plan to achieve them. Next, unplug and disconnect. In this digital age, it's easy to be constantly connected. However, this can contribute to burnout. Take intentional breaks from screens, social media, and work-related devices. Allow yourself time to unwind and recharge without any distractions. Embrace imperfect. Remember, it's okay to be imperfect. We all make mistakes and face challenges. Be kind to yourself and accept that it's normal to have ups and downs. Embrace imperfection as a part of life's journey. Remember, recovering from burnout and restoring balance in your life takes time and effort, but it is entirely possible. By recognizing the signs, setting boundaries, practicing self-care, seeking support, and being mindful, you'll be on your way to a healthier, more balanced you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Namaste.